G'day, welcome back. So I bought the King's portable lithium projector thingo. Not really something I normally use camping, but I saw it in a bundle, wanted to grab it to check it out, see what it's like. According to the specs, it's only 1080p, but sort of what can you expect for something so small? But let's get into it. Just pulled it out of the box. Comes with a HDMI to HDMI mini, I think, maybe, cable, little tripod thing, and a charging cable. One thing I am straight up disappointed with, which I probably should have checked before, is that it's got this little DC 5-volt charger rather than being USB-C. Everything these days I think should be just USB-C rechargeable. Everyone's got one. Probably save a heap of sending out special cords for everything that you buy as well. But anyway, I'll get this on charge and we'll see how we go. So according to the specs, it's smaller than a Rubik's Cube. It's quite small, obviously you can see. 1080p HD, so it's not super high definition, but you wouldn't really expect that for something so small, or cheap really as well. 1 watt speaker. Mini HDMI input. Apparently it can do Chromecast, iOS mirroring and Android mirroring. But yeah, it's not really something I would normally take camping, but I thought it was pretty cool to grab and run a review on anyway. I've had to go back to work, so I'm going to test this out over the next couple of days, go over it, recharge it, and just see how it works with the phone mirroring or iPad mirroring. And I do have a camping trip coming up, so I might take that along as well and just chuck a movie on or something. I think we can connect a Bluetooth speaker to your phone or your iPad or whatever you're using to run this as well. So the 1 watt speaker probably wouldn't be enough, but if you run like your Bluetooth speaker first and then connect it to this, that should be a fairly decent little camping setup if you really want to watch something. So I'm going to hook this up, connect it to my phone or my iPad or something, and project it onto the roof of my room at work, and we'll see what it's like. Let's check it out. So I've just set it up, pointing up at the roof in my room at work. So a little focus dial on the side of it. So it's not super sharp, but as you can probably tell, it's also not exactly square either, so it's a bit hard to get it fully focused. But you know, for something that you can use while you're away if you really wanted to, jump in and watch the telly track, maybe sit at gunshot for a bit, watch a few people go through, but we'll see how the day progresses. Let's get to it. Realistically, I don't think it's too bad for what it is. Like I say, this 1 watt speaker on it's a little bit quiet. And if you're obviously out bush or something like that, you'd probably want to connect a Bluetooth speaker to it as well. But yeah, it's not a bad little thing. I still wish it was USB-C rechargeable, not the DC connector, but it is what it is. Maybe the next generation will be USB-C. But you know, make do with what you got. If it's something that you're interested in grabbing, it's probably definitely worth $130, or get it in a bundle and whatever. But yeah, till next time, we'll catch you later.